In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Passbolt password manager. To get started, you should have received an email from Innate Technologies. Go ahead and locate this email in order to get the link to core.innate.com or simply type the URL in a new tab. Here, go ahead and log in with the credentials you created when you made your purchase. Once you log in, it'll bring you to the dashboard and you can see all of the products that you have purchased. You can see Passbolt, Innate Hub and Drive, Photos, and Connect. What we're going to do is locate Passbolt and select Manage. This page has your Passbolt details, and down at the bottom where you see Enter Domain, go ahead and type in what you want the first part of your URL to be. Once you've done that, go ahead and select Search to make sure that the domain is available. Then select Create and Deploy. If the domain is not available, it will tell you and you'll need to choose something else. Once you see deployment initiated successfully, you can go ahead and refresh your screen and you should see your official domain there at the bottom. We can now copy this URL, open up a new tab, paste it in there, and open up our Passbolt. Once you have your Passbolt site open, you can go ahead and enter your email and select that you accept the terms and privacy policy. Then you should receive an email from Passbolt. It should look something like this. Go ahead and locate this email and select Get Started. It's now going to ask you to download the browser extension, so go ahead and select Download Extension and download it to your browser. Once downloaded, you should see a congratulations message and go ahead and select Next. Now we can create our passphrase for Passbolt. This will allow you to sign into Passbolt to access all your other passwords. So go ahead and choose your passphrase and select Next. You will now receive your recovery kit. If you ever lose or forget your passphrase, you will need this recovery kit to access your Passbolt. Once you've downloaded it and stored it somewhere safe, go ahead and check the box and select Next. You will then need to choose your security token. This token will be displayed when you're asked for your official passphrase. This is an extra security measure to help you stay safe. Go ahead and choose whichever color you'd like and type in your 3 letters that you would like to use and select Next. And you have now officially set up your Passbolt. You can now create new passwords or upload existing passwords into your Passbolt. To do that, in the top left corner, go ahead and select the Create button. You have different options to choose from. For this example, let's click Password. So we'll go ahead and type in what we want to call this password. Then we'll type in the URL that this password is for, our username for the site, and now we can type in a password. If you take a look at the bottom, it tells you how strong your password is, and this one here is very weak because I'm just using test password 123. If you would like to generate a strong password, select the button over here to the right to create a random strong password. You can see that it gives me a random password of multiple characters, and if I come down to the advanced password generation, I can actually choose what I want allowed in my password. I can change the length or even add emojis to my password if I'd like to. You have the option to fully customize your password and make sure that it is strong and secure. Once you're happy with your password, go ahead and select Create. You will now need to enter your passphrase for Passbolt to verify that you are creating this password. You can also select the time frame on how long you want Passbolt to remember your passphrase so you don't have to keep typing it in over and over. Go ahead and choose that and then select OK. And you see our new password has been created. And if I come over here, I can select the I button to be able to view my password and use it on the site. So that is how you create a password in Passbolt. The last thing I want to show you is how to use the extension. So if I come over here to the top right in my browser, I can see all of my extensions and I can go to select Passbolt. You guys see it brings up a little pop-up menu and I can type in whatever website I want to look up the password for and simply view the password here in the extension and use it on the site. And that is how you set up your Passbolt. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.